Hi ladies and gentlemen. In this tutorial I want to talk to you about the Handheld Contact API calendar. We'd previously talked about the task list, but now I want to talk about the calendar. So when we're on the main dashboard, I'm going to go down to the bottom where it says calendar. I'm going to click calendar. Now, when I see the calendar, I can view my calendar in a few different ways. I can see the daily calendar, I can see the weekly and the monthly calendar. You'll notice that right now is June 3rd. If I click on June 3rd, all my items for June 3rd show up below the little mini calendar in the top left. If I look at this day and I want to see the daily view, that's what I see. If I want to see the weekly view, a little bit more, and monthly. I really like the monthly view. I like the way it lays out. If I go up to the 10th of the month, I have more things scheduled and I can simply scroll up and down to see the items that I need to take care of. If I click on John Prospect Call 1 for John Sniffen, here is all of John's information over on the right hand side. If I want to get inside to see John's contact information, I just tap his name. And inside is all the information. So at this point, I can see all the activities I have scheduled here and go inside and either clear this or work with this. Now, what I think you're going to find when you're working with the calendar and the task list, you can tap and get to things in a few different ways. And you've got to work with the thing that works for you. There's not exactly a right way or wrong way. It's whatever works for you. So now I'm going to click on another contact over on the left-hand side. And as I do that, I'm going to come back up with that person. And you'll see John at Kingman Cycle is right here. So as you work through this, please sort of have an open mind, go in and play with it, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised what you can do with it. Last but not least, up in the top right hand corner, as I had mentioned in my task list tutorial, I like to have all my calls in my task list and all my meetings in the calendar. So I'm going to go up and click on filters, and I'm going to turn off call, to-dos, appointments, everything except for my meeting, because all I want to see on my calendar is my meeting. By clicking back, now the only thing, and that didn't quite do it the way did I do that wrong? Let me go back up to the filters. Oh, I left meeting on. Yep, I left meeting on right there. I turned off personal activity. I'm going to click back, and there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, you have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye now.